What's up, y'all? Coffee here. You ever buy some coffee from a different place that you haven't bought from and it's not that great? Here's to trying new things. It's just not it. I don't know. I'm not the biggest coffee drinker, but I do need some caffeine sometimes. Let's move on. Anyways, what's up, everybody? We're about to check out Loco, Not Okay, featuring Minnie from JREAMERS. Love Minnie. She is like one of the faves. She fine. Let me just put it out there. She fine. And first of all, Loco, you looking good. I like your sound. I did not check this. I didn't hear any teasers of it. Great rapper, great artist. Minnie, great artist, great singer. Beautiful. I'll need to check out JR's album though too. The all English album. It's pretty fuego. But we're not here for that right now. We're here to check out Not Okay by Loco. Been a big fan of Loco since the beginning, since Locomotive. I don't know if you remember that. Bro, Thinking About You featuring Jay Park. Oof. Anyways, let's get into this, shall we? Let's check it out. Bow. I just realized it's like sky into a sky. Ooh, a beach. A kid? A child? Oh no. I'm scared of children. Not really. Oh, guitar? Oh, it's a slow song. Oh, okay. Oh, Minnie. But not for me. Oh. Aww. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, he sleep? Oh. Is she seeing, is she hallucinating jellyfishes? Oh, I can see what type of song this is gonna be. Oh, dang, you are messy. You good? Or you just not care? Bro, this man look like he never aged. Oh. So wait. Being alone is comfortable, perfectly okay, that it won't be a problem. He can't get out? Please worry about me, I'm not okay. Aw. Everything easy for you, but not for me. Oh, okay, she is living her life. He is trapped in a freaking elevator. Please worry about me, I'm not okay. It's like nobody cares. Is he like a CEO or the face of this company? Was that wishful thinking somehow? It's like they don't even see him. And she's like in her own world too. Loki, you would do that too if you're well, that's kind of scary though, like nobody really like noticing you. Sometimes it do feel like that, you know. Sometimes I feel like you feel like you're not as important, you know, not that you want to feel like important, but it feels like sometimes you don't feel like you're there. I don't know, I don't know how to explain, but you know what I mean, right? It's kind of like, oh. The only thing that really reacted to him. Is everybody just depressed here? Cause like, this looks like something my room looks like when I'm like, don't want to go out anymore. Ooh, that must feel good. He powering up like a freaking Super Saiyan. Seems easy. Damn. Did that feel good? And she's just like, damn, you okay, Loco? You expressing your feelings in this? I mean, it's okay to not be okay too, y'all. Damn, his sandcastle. I'd be mad too, little kid. Not Okay featuring Minnie G. That was different than I expected. That's a vibe. I mean, that's like it's a mood for sure. It's like calm, but depressing, moody vibe. Like Minnie starts it off first. She looks like she has like a security job or something like that. 3 a.m. Takes the stick of a mop. Don't please worry about me. Everything is easy for you, but not for me. I mean, we all go through some shit, right? And it. Loco's voice and Minnie's voice actually go very well together. It's actually really nice to hear Loco's voice again. He has a unique rapping voice, or just voice in general in music. Just say that I'm okay on purpose, as I'm afraid of being honest. Ah, damn, that was some real shit. What the hell? Cheers, since I lasted. Got scared beforehand, even though I did well. As nothing was there. The lyrics are really hitting. As nothing was there for me, just looking at an empty mirror made me disappointed. Been shouting till privacy is also really nice. I like my privacy too. Like, I only go out if I feel my best mentally. Then I have to recharge. His situation is interesting. It's like no one noticing him. And I feel like a lot of people do feel that way sometimes too, like in his position. Sometimes I feel like that too, as crazy as that sounds. I feel like this song's very relatable to a lot of people that have gone through a lot like this, and like this aspect. I'm not gonna like talk a lot about it because I'm no expert, but I mean, yes, like it's good. Just hit up your friends, hit up your close ones. Just say what's up. Just check on them. I mean, I have to do the same. Like sometimes I you know, sometimes I'm human. I'm not a robot. At one point, I was uploading like crazy, keeping up with K-pop and stuff, and like being happy and jolly. But some, you know, I'm just like sometimes I just, you know, I get a little depressy. You know, I get depressy too. And I have to take breaks. And it's okay to take breaks. Sometimes it feels weird for me to take breaks from social media, and it's very important. Sometimes I have to go out and touch grass just so I can breathe. It's I don't know. Maybe I'm ranting and venting too, but this song kind of unlocked a lot of like memories, which that means it worked. It did its job. Like, it was really nice. It was really nice, Loco. Thank you so much for this release. Thank you, Minnie, for this, for being a feature. The music video itself is interesting, and it spoke to me, and I'm pretty sure it spoke to a lot of people that are watching this. So if you haven't already checked it out, go check it out. Link in the description down below. Loco, coming through. Appreciate you. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Or on Twitch. I'm going Twitch live. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.